So now it's time for a coffee challenge. Let's see how much we know about coffee, especially the Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. The festival is today. We're going to test it. Nisha and I, we're getting a couple multiple choice questions about coffee to guess the correct answer. Why do I feel like...
Milk and sugar, please.
That's all you know?
That's all I know.
Have it in milk or sugar?
Milk and sugar.
Oh, God. I don't know.
Right.
I don't know if we're going to know this, but we're going to try.
We're going to try our best.
Oh, ja.
Apologies now. Minister Bartlett, is he here? He's not here to see how little I know about coffee. All right, the first one.
All right, go ahead.
The name cappuccino comes from, number one, the drink's resemblance to the brown cowls worn by... Capuchin monks, the similarity in color to the fur of the Capuchin monkeys. The Italian puccino, meaning light brown one, the size of the cup in which it's commonly served.
The name cappuccino, it resembles brown cowls worn by Capuchin monks, similar to the color of the fur of Capuchin monks. Hold on, I'm looking
final
through
answer, we're getting pressured, is...
I'm gonna pick three.
Why you jump on my answer? You spelled in my spirit, that's what I was going to say.
No, it sounds Italiano.
Italiano, yes.
Wow.
I'm going to say number one. That's what I meant. Don't launder me. Number one.
Is number one?
It's number one.
Jojo?
Okay. I knew that.
All right.
I was reading a book and I...
That's you, man. Espresso literally means speed it up, to go, forced out, black and intense.
I'm going to say, speed it up.
Speed it
Only
up.
because it reminds me of,
No, hold on. I
was processing.
Black and intense. Wait, force it out.
To go. Don't, babes, it's morning TV.
Forced out.
It's forced out.
When you express something, but it's espresso.
That's the problem.
See?
We think it's espresso. It's not.
It's not espresso. It's espresso.
Espresso. Okay, we learned something new. Forced out. Forced out. Coffee was the first food to be shipped from Europe to the New World, freeze-dried, used in Aztec religious ceremonies, roasted and ground for drinking. I am going to say, but yeah, say you said first.
No, I said first last time.
Okay, coffee was the first food to be
shipped from Europe?
I'm not going to say shipped from Europe.
I'm not going to say B.
Because
I'm not going to say B.
Freeze-dried, I don't think that's true.
And I'm not sure about the religious part of it.
I'm going to say C.
You're going to say C? Hold
Leave me alone, no man.
I'm going to say D. So is A?
Oh, it's shipped from Europe? It's not freeze-dried. Don't say that.
So it's A then?
Is A? Freeze-dried?
The one that I ruled out?
Okay, I get where we're going. Is the one that seems absolutely not that answer?
Okay, fine.
You don't trick me, Smile.
Don't trick me. Coffee?
Don't trick me.
40% of the world's coffee is produced by Africa, Brazil, Colombia, Southeast Asia. I think Brazil.
I was gonna say Brazil too.
Copycat, go ahead.
True. No, but because I would say Brazil or Colombia.
Colombia? Okay.
But I would have said Brazil. All right, go on, you have this one.
Oh, because the word.
I'm like,
Kopi Luwak. Okay. The world's most expensive cup, up to 600 per pound, is processed during a full moon, brewed only with solid gold pots, made from coffee beans eaten and then excreted.
We are gonna go, just based on what has happened so far, we're gonna go with the excretion.
Yeah, because it's the weird stuff always costs a lot.
But why? I told you.
Why would I want to have something that was excreted?
Because then it has earlier Chef Lumley was talking about balance and the ambiance and balance out the flavor. So the excretion balances out.
You know what excretion is, right? Why do I want...
Minata? Okay. Coffee beans grow on a low-spreading vine, a bush, a tree, the roots of a coffee plant.
Come on, Nisha, you must know this. A bush, you must...
It's a little thing, yeah. It's a little vine with I did know, but it's
Okay.
Oh, we have one more.
Okay.
We have one more.
The country that drinks the most coffee is Finland, Sweden, Iceland, Norway.
Cold, colder. So cold places. I'm gonna say
coffee. Wow. Norway.
Oh. Sweden.
It's not Norway neither.
Finland.
Iceland, because it's cold.
Finland.
No. Finland.
Yeah.
Oh.
The people of Finland consume the most coffee at 12.5 kilograms per
That's
per
how much?
person. That's a
how
lot.
much?
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Cha-cha.
All right. Did we know anything about coffee? We learned something today. We learned a lot today. That's
All right,
excellent.
belated birthday greeting to my aunt Doreen Facey in Mandeville. She had her birthday on the 29th of February.
Hi, Auntie Doreen.
So she finally get a birthday after
Finally
4
get a
years.
birthday shirt, though.
Big
And
ups to you. And
did you?
Sheena Graham. Sheena's birthday is today, guys.
Happy birthday, Sheena.
Sheena in makeup. Happy birthday,
We miss
Sheena.
you. Have a good day. And it's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Enough
You
love.
coming to Coffee Fest later on?
May I come to Coffee Fest later
All right,
on?
that's what we're
Yeah,
doing
get my
next.
coffee. And we have like a thought for today. Our thought is a smile is a gift that you can give every day, all day.
Here's mine.
And you have a beautiful smile too.
Thank you.
I love it.
Okay, let's smile our way out of smile.
And let's give our face a
That's
rest.
so corny. All right.